when you have an implicit function y log x equals x minus y, how do you find dy by dx? So let us take this problem and solve. Now you have y into log x. So this is the first function and this is the second function. So let us apply the rules of differentiation. First function into differential of second function. Differential of log x is 1 by x plus second function into differential of first function. Differential of y is dy by dx equals differential of x is 1 minus differential of y is dy by dx. Now bring dy by dx term to LHS. So you have log x dy by dx plus dy by dx equals 1 minus y by x goes to the RHS. So plus y by x becomes minus y by x. So take dy by dx common. You get log x plus 1 equals, if I take the LCM here, you get x minus y by x divided by 1 plus log x. But here I have to prove that dy by dx is equal to log x divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. Observe there is no y term there. So here we have to do something so that you get y equal to. So from this expression you have y log x equals x minus y. Bring the y term to LHS. So you get y log x minus y becomes plus y equals x. So what is common in these two? Y. So you get log x plus 1 equals x, or y is equal to x divided by 1 plus log x, correct? Log x plus 1 can be written as 1 plus log x. So here wherever y is there, I will replace it by x by 1 plus log x. So we can actually replace it here in the previous step. 1 minus, what is y? X by 1 plus log x into x. So x and x will get cancelled. So you have 1 minus 1 by 1 plus log x. Now if I take LCM, you get log x plus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus log x, and this is dy by dx into 1 plus log x. So this 1 plus log x will go to the denominator. So therefore it becomes 1 plus log x whole square. So now what happens? Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So you are left with log x divided by 1 plus log x the whole square. So this is the answer.